Hello.
Hello.
Could you please tell us your name and where you're from?
My name is Lukas Matoshevich and I'm from Croatia, the beautiful country in the south of Europe.
And could you please play your ringtone to me?
Of course. Let's just check it where it is. There you go. Is it enough or not? This is it, basically.
And where did you get it from?
From my computer is an MP3 file of Patrice.
And why did you choose this ringtone?
Because I was in a concert of Patrice and I liked it very much.
And since when do you have this ringtone?
Since the August of last year.
Ah, okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.